Alexa, ask Buddy how to cook Maggi.
Do you want Maggi to be soft cooked or medium cooked?
Soft cooked?
Do you want simple Maggi masala or with vegetables?
Simple Maggi Masala.
Cool, let's get started. I have sent the ingredients to your phone. Please check and confirm if you have the ingredients.
Yes, I have.
Add water and let it come to boiling point.
Next step.
Break the Maggi noodle cake to 4 parts and keep it ready.
Next step.
Cut open the masala packets.
Next step.
Please wait. It needs 1 minute, 9 seconds more for this step to complete.
Skip the step.
Add the Maggi noodle cakes and masala to the boiling water. Stir occasionally to mix Maggi masala flavor.
Next step, please.
Maggi is ready. Hope you love it. Bon appetit!